Laba Moments here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to design beautiful presentations using Canva, which is a powerful graphic design tool. So if you're a student, if you're a manager, a CEO, a salesperson, if you're working in the corporate world and you often make presentations, if you're a clergyman and you'd like to make powerful sermons using beautiful and appealing presentations, if you're a lecturer, if you're a teacher, if you're looking to maybe start online tutorials using appealing presentations, then this video is for you. So stick around till the end, and of course don't forget to give me that like and subscribe and leave me a comment down below on what you've learned and on what you wish to see next. So let's dive in. So when you load canva.com, click on presentations under documents. So you click on documents and then you will see the option for presentations. So let's say you are a student and you're looking for a template or to make a presentation on a particular topic area. So you have all these templates which you can take advantage of. If you're looking to make a presentation on in the area of marketing, you can click on see all and select a template that is appealing to you. Probably you can select that one if that is what is appealing to you, and if this is what is appealing to you, you can opt to apply all pages at once, or you can select a page at a go. So if you are a startup and you're looking to design a pitch deck, there's a number of templates that you can take advantage of. Under startup presentations, when you click see all, you'll be able to see different designs which you can be able to borrow from. So if for example the first one is appealing to the second one is appealing to you, just click on it and you can be able to apply all the pages or just select one page at a time depending on what you want. If it's on page 2 you want something different, you can select that one. If you want page 3 to be what is on page 16, you can do that. Otherwise you can just select apply all pages, and then you can begin making changes to that particular presentation based on your idea for which you wish to pitch on. If you are a pastor or a priest, there's a template also for you. Down here there's church presentations. So when you click on see all, you can be able to get a number of templates. If you wish to use this template, just click on it. You can opt to apply all the pages and then edit the details of your sermon on each page. If you don't want to have a page, delete it. If you want to move page 1 to be page 2, you can opt to do that, etc. If you are a manager and you want to do a presentation on a particular area, you can opt to select whatever template appeals to you. Marketing presentation, company presentations, an animated presentation that with things that are animated. Or if you want to make up just a simple presentation, there's a template for that where you can be able to select simple presentations. If you want to see presentations under business presentations, you can be able to do that. Technology presentations, let's say you're a student and maybe you want to do a presentation on, let's say, the Internet of Things. You can be able to apply all pages and use this template and make changes on each page depending on the content of your presentation. Okay, and once you're done creating your presentation, at the top here there's this download button. Just click on it and you can be able to download it as a PDF, and then you can be able to project that as you speak through your presentation, say maybe on a Zoom call. And also you can be able to send this PDF document on email or on WhatsApp, whichever you choose. So I hope that this video has been of value, and I hope it got in your light bulb moment today. Don't forget to give me that like. Click on that like button, share this video as widely as possible, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below on what you'd like to see or what you've learned. Also, don't forget to click that bell so to get notified whenever I post. Goodbye.
It's not a game, it's a